Hello everyone, my name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE Worlds. Once again, I came with another video for ICSE Class 10 Physical Education. And this video is specifically a practice set of questions and answers for your semester 1 examination. Previously, I made another video of practice set of questions and answers. The link of this video is given in the description box. You can check this later. Also to mention that I have made videos of the chapter-wise questions and answers for your semester 1 examination. The link of these videos are also given in the description box. You can check this later. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for more information about physical education and sports. Anyway, without further ado, let's start the video. ICSE Class 10 Physical Education, Semester 1, Practice Set 2. Question number 1. Achievement of greater independence and a more distinct personality, replacement of fears by the ability to cope are the social development qualities of early childhood, infancy, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is late childhood. Question number 2. As far as enhancement in human performance is concerned, the three most often sought after individual biomotor qualities are agility, muscular endurance, general mobility, muscular strength, speed and power, absolute strength, dynamic balance, endurance, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance and agility. The answer is muscular strength, speed and power. These three are the individual biomotor qualities. Question number 3. Biological scientists agree that some of the innate qualities are greatly influenced by the teacher and trainers. Which of the following innate qualities cannot be underestimated when the question of all-round development of an individual arises? Intelligence, temperament, height, self-preservation. The answer is self-preservation. Question number 4. Exercise techniques that slowly and gradually lengthen a muscle or group of muscles and their tendons involve range of motion, yoga postures, static stretching, strength training. The answer is static stretching. Question number 5. Several international research studies have documented cross-cultural differences in average growth, development, personality, innate qualities. The answer is personality. Question number 6. In which stage of human growth and development hairs become grey and thin, skin wrinkles, muscle tone decreases, hearing loss and visual acuity lose, weight is gained? Middle adulthood, early adulthood, late adulthood, adolescence. The answer is middle adulthood. Question number 7. As a corollary to their calmness, dash tend towards low stress lifestyle. Ectomorphs, endomorphs, leptosomes, mesomorphs. The answer is endomorphs. Question number 8. Transition period aims at stabilization of performance, supercompensation, recreation, recovery. The answer is recovery. Question number 9. The development is more affected by the dash available to a person. Heredity, environment, nutrition, nationality. The answer is environment. Question number 10. People move away from peer group and tend to associate with others who have similar ambitions. Most find a mate and begin a family. These are said about middle adulthood, early adulthood, late adulthood, adolescence. The answer is early adulthood. means from 20 years and above. Question number 11. The principle of progression, so important in sports training, makes us realize the need for gradual increase in load, appropriate methodology, proper rest and recovery, exercise and load management. The answer is proper rest and recovery. Question number 12. The biological scientists firmly advocate in favor of dash for the all-round development of an individual. Environmental factors, inherited qualities, nutritional effects, gender effects. The answer is inherited qualities. Question number 13. Which of the following cannot be transferred to the next generation? Height, temperaments, intelligence, coordination. The answer is coordination. Question number 14. Which of the following intellectual milestones is most closely associated with the adolescent stage of human growth and development? Becoming interested in abstract ideas and the process of thinking itself. Operational thinking that allows one to mentally combine, order and transform objects and actions. Learning to take intentions into account in judging the behaviors of others. Representing reality to oneself using symbols, gestures and mental images. The answer is becoming interested in abstract ideas and process of thinking itself. Question number 15. The main aim of sports training is to prepare a sportsman for the highest possible performance in a main competition in a particular sport or event. Besides, these following should be considered as the aims of sports training, except improvement of physical fitness, acquisition of motor skills, improvement of tactical efficiency, social qualities. The answer is social qualities. Question number 16. A quick temper often characterizes dash. They may get angry easily, especially if pushed to the limit. Once they get angry, it can be very hard to calm them down and bring their emotions under control. Mesomorphs, ectomorphs, endomorphs, diaplastic. The answer is mesomorphs. Question number 17. Heavy weight lifting, improper sitting habits, degenerative disc disease and osteoarthritis may lead to hip bursitis, low back pain, confusion, runner's knee. The answer is low back pain. Question number 18. Sprinting speed is best developed through interval training, weight training, ins and outs, continuous running. The answer is interval training. Question number 19. A common trait among dash is a low threshold for physical discomfort. While many people can easily push past some fatigue and keep going, they may want to stop as soon as slight discomfort is felt. Ectomorphs, endomorphs, diaplastic, mesomorphs. The answer is endomorphs. Question number 20. Strong attachment to parents. Needs are food, shelter, protection, love and security. These are observed in dash stage of human growth and development. Early childhood, infancy, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is early childhood. Question number 21. To what kind of activities is a person with endomorphic body build more suited? Strength based, endurance based, agility based, speed based. The answer is endurance based. Question number 22. Spending less time with family and more time with peer groups. Attempting to develop self-identity and independence and seek security from their peers and development of more mature attitude and patterns of behavior are the characteristics of early childhood, adulthood, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is adolescence. Question number 23. Which one of the following concepts reflects the true nature of physical education? Physical training, science of movement, movement education, athleticism. The answer is movement education. Question number 24. Which of the following is not the factor of physical fitness? Emotional stability, self-motivation, posture, self-concept. The answer is self-concept, because the rest of these components are the factors of physical fitness. Question number 25. Showing anger, distrust, happiness and excitement are the signs of emotional development of dash stage of human growth and development. Early childhood, infancy, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is infancy. Question number 26. Name the component of physical fitness that is more or less genetically determined. Flexibility, speed, strength, body composition. The answer is speed. Question number 27. The dash tend to be much more calm-natured. You rarely see them fidgeting or getting worked up over incidents. Ectomorphs, endomorphs, diaplastic, mesomorphs. The answer is endomorphs. Question number 28. The mental ability to begin to recognize surroundings and become aware of surrounding and people are observed in that stage of human growth and development. Early childhood, infancy, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is infancy. Question number 29. Regular aerobic activity improves the efficiency of the heart by all the following except improving blood flow, increasing the number of capillaries in skeletal muscles, strengthening the heart muscle, decreasing the amount of blood pumped with each cycle. The answer is decreasing the amount of blood pumped with each cycle. Question number 30. In which stage of human growth and development people become confident decision makers and excellent at analyzing situations? Middle adulthood, early adulthood, late adulthood, adolescence. The answer is middle adulthood, means the age of 40 to 65. Question number 31. Improvement of appearance via physical fitness does not include toned muscle, weight loss, improved posture, increased mental sharpness. The answer is increased mental sharpness. Question number 32. Name the type of fracture in which the bone is broken and the structures around it like veins, arteries and nerves also get damaged. Impacted fracture, green stick fracture, complicated fracture, comminuted fracture. The answer is complicated fracture, because the bone is broken along with the veins, arteries and the nerves around it. Question number 33. Name the fitness component that contains most biomotor abilities and is the expression of one's neuromuscular efficiency. Strength, coordination, flexibility, agility. The answer is agility. Question number 34. Social psychologists do not accept the superiority of inherited traits in comparison to nationality, nutrition, environment, gender. The answer is nationality. Question number 35. What is the aim of physical education? Physical development, wholesome development of an individual, growth and development, emotional development. The answer is wholesome development of an individual. Question number 36. Physical fitness increases of stamina, which includes increased productivity, increased physical capabilities, improved immunity to minor illness, along with improved quality of sleep, less frequent injury, improved ability to cope with stress, reduced cholesterol level. The answer is less frequent injury. Question number 37. The best way to condition the cardiovascular system for athletic performance is to engage in ballistic exercise, yogic practices, aerobic exercise, anaerobic exercise. The answer is aerobic exercise. Question number 38. The growing number of overuse injuries in sports is closely related to the steeply rising competitive stress, rise of young specialists, rigorous training regimes, divergent practice conditions. The answer is steeply rising competitive stress. Question number 39. It is not unusual for dash to take extreme positions on certain topics. They can be very passionate, fueled by the conviction of what they believe in. They may go to extreme lengths to prove to others that what they know is right. Ectomorphs, endomorphs, diplastic, mesomorphs. The answer is mesomorphs. Question number 40. Improvement of health via physical fitness does not include reduction of blood pressure, reduction of risk of major illness such as diabetes and heart disease, improvement of self-image, increment of efficiency of heart and lungs. The answer is improvement of self-image, because self-image cannot be developed via physical fitness. Question number 41. Better performance capacity to cope with the demands responsible for disturbing athletes' psychophysical equilibrium due to overloading is known as change, adjustment, adaptation, training. The answer is adaptation. Question number 42. Sports training is a universal phenomena and it aims for an athlete is physical conditioning, muscle emerging, health and fitness, performance enhancement. The answer is performance enhancement. Question number 43. The character trait associated with dash is a tendency for them to be self-aware. They practice caution when interacting with others and have a strong sense of self. Ectomorphs, endomorphs, leptosomes, mesomorphs. The answer is ectomorphs. Question number 44. The most common symptoms of tennis elbow are as follows, except An aching or burning pain over the outside of the elbow that is worsened by gripping or lifting. Pain starts at the elbow but then may spread to the forearm. Weak grip strength, muscle weakness. The answer is muscle weakness. Question number 45. Developing self-awareness, recognizing the effect they have on other people and things, feeling of impatience and frustration as they try to do things beyond their abilities are the signs of emotional development of dash stage of human growth and development. Early childhood, infancy, late childhood, adolescence. The answer is early childhood. Question number 46. What is another name of patellar tendonitis? Joint contusion, runner's knee, jumper's knee, chondromalacia. The answer is runner's knee. Question number 47. Which of the following two fitness components are considered two sides of the same coin? Muscular strength and cardiovascular endurance, agility and extend flexibility, muscular endurance and strength, dynamic balance and body composition. The answer is muscular endurance and strength. Question number 48. The two major components of load are specificity and volume, intensity and progression, continuity and recovery, intensity and volume. The answer is intensity and volume. Question number 49. Dash injuries most commonly occur during sports that involve sudden stops or changes in direction, jumping and landing, such as soccer, basketball, football, and downhill skiing. Torn medial collateral ligament, torn anterior cruciate ligament, runner's knee, shin splint. The answer is torn anterior cruciate ligament. Question number 50. The amount of force that a muscle can produce is called muscular strength endurance, muscular strength, power, speed. The answer is muscular strength. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment. And also follow our channel for more updates about physical education and sports.